How to create Instagram post with text. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can create an Instagram post with text. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to create a post with text, you just need to follow some steps, and here's how you do it. So simply open up your Instagram app. After launching your Instagram app, what you need to do is simply tap on left after going to your home page, swipe to left, and here you can see create option very easily. Simply tap on create and here type. I'm just gonna type something for now and tap on next. You can write any text which is convenient for you. You may also change your background if you want when you tap on this here, or you may just add stickers or time, location, and everything. Add music as well if you want. After that, simply save this and get back to posting, where you'll be able to see the post that you just saved, the story just saved. Simply tap on the post and tap on next. After that is done, simply tap on next. You may add music or add filters if you want, location, tag people, and add music, and choose your audience as well. After that, simply tap on share here and tap on share. After that, you may just go to your profile, and there you go. You can easily find your post with text on your Instagram profile. So therefore, this is how you do it. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.